In 2018, the smartest, easiest way to use Excel is a lot different to what most people are teaching. I'm going to take you from beginner to advanced in record time. You'll go from zero to data visualization superstar faster than you thought possible. You'll be able to do this because a lot of what used to be really advanced techniques in Excel, requiring complex formulas and sometimes even VBA code, are now built-in features. Even if you've been using Excel for a while, you might be surprised how much easier it's become to rapidly build advanced robust dashboards and models with much less work. So what will you learn in this course? In the first section, you'll learn how to build this interactive dashboard in around 20 minutes without using a single formula. You'll learn how the structure of this dashboard follows the principles used by professional software developers, all without having to write any code. This structure is the secret sauce that not only enables you to rapidly build solutions, but also enables you to update them with a click of a button. In section 2, you'll learn all about how to get and transform your data using Power Query. This includes linking data for automatic refresh, merging data, the better alternative to large VLOOKUPs and database joins, merging a whole folder of files into a single table, reshaping your data that has come out of pivot tables back into a tidy data format. In section 3, you'll learn to create driver-based models, best practice and shortcuts for setting up named ranges, when to use Power Query formulas versus regular Excel formulas, and what-if analysis using GoalSeek, Solver, and Scenario Manager. In section 4, you'll learn about some of the new visualizations in Excel, including tree maps, sunbursts, and 3D maps. In section 5, you'll learn about ways to take your analysis to the next level through a range of powerful new tools you may not have even considered. I hope you're really excited about everything we're covering here, and I'll see you in the next lecture.